explorers! Before we meet the most dangerous animals on Earth, smash that subscribe button and join our adventure squad. New videos every week. Let's go! Are you ready for some serious animal adventures? Are you ready? Let's do it! First up, we're diving deep into the ocean to meet the box jellyfish. This creature is seriously cool and seriously dangerous. The box jellyfish has tentacles covered in tiny stingers that feel like 100 bee stings all at once. Ouch! That's definitely not a good feeling. But don't worry, explorers. There's good news. Ordinary vinegar can actually help neutralize the venom. How cool is that? Next up, we're hopping on over to the rainforest to meet a super colorful creature, the poison dart frog. These little guys are like living rainbows. But don't let their cuteness fool you. They pack a seriously poisonous punch. One touch from this tiny frog could stop your heart. Their skin is covered in a toxic poison that they use to protect themselves from predators. Scientists are studying its poison to develop new medicines. Isn't that amazing? It just goes to show that even the deadliest creatures can have a positive impact on the world. Get ready to be surprised, explorers, because our next deadly animal isn't a giant shark or a ferocious tiger, it's a tiny mosquito. This little bug is responsible for more human deaths than any other animal on the planet. Mosquitoes can carry and spread diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. Next week's video is all about how to avoid bug bites, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Get ready to roar, explorers, because we're about to meet the king of the jungle, the lion. These majestic creatures are known for their incredible strength, their powerful roars, and their beautiful manes. Lions are apex predators, which means they're at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. They hunt in groups called prides, and they work together to take down prey much larger than themselves. You can hear a lion's roar from up to 5 miles away. That's like hearing your favorite song blasting from miles away. Talk about a powerful voice. But lions are more than just fierce hunters. They're also incredibly social animals. They love to play, they cuddle with their cubs, and they protect each other fiercely. Stay tuned, explorers, because we're gonna learn all about the fascinating social structure of lion prides in a future video. Hold on to your hats, explorers, because we're diving into the water with one of the most prehistoric creatures on Earth, the saltwater crocodile. These guys have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. Saltwater crocodiles are the largest reptiles on Earth, and they have the strongest bite force of any animal, even stronger than a lion. But don't worry, explorers, saltwater crocodiles usually stick to rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Get ready to meet a powerful force of nature, explorers, the Cape buffalo. These massive creatures are often called the Black Death because they're one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They're known for their unpredictable temperament, their massive horns, and their incredible strength. Cape buffalo are incredibly powerful, and they won't hesitate to charge if they feel threatened. They've been known to trample lions, flip over cars, and even kill humans. But here's the thing. Explorers' Cape buffalo are also incredibly protective of their herds. They look out for each other, and they'll risk their lives to defend their young and their injured. Always remember that even the most dangerous animals have a softer side to them. They're not just mindless killing machines. They're complex creatures with emotions, instincts, and social bonds just like us humans. We're diving back into the ocean, explorers, to meet a creature that's small but mighty. The cone snail. These beautiful creatures might look harmless, but don't let their pretty shells fool you. They're packing a seriously deadly venom. The venom is so powerful that it can paralyze a human in minutes, and there's no known antivenom. Scientists are studying cone snail venom to develop new painkillers and other life-saving medications. Get ready to meet a creature that's both adorable and deadly. Explorers, the pufferfish. These funny-looking fish are famous for their ability to puff themselves up into a ball when they feel threatened. Pufferfish contain a toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is hundreds of times more deadly than cyanide. In some parts of the world, people actually eat pufferfish as a delicacy. But only specially trained chefs are allowed to prepare pufferfish because even the slightest mistake can be deadly. Get ready to meet a creature that will make your skin crawl, explorers, the Brazilian wandering spider. These hairy spiders are known for their aggressive behavior, their painful bites, and their tendency to wander into people's homes. The Brazilian wandering spider's venom is a neurotoxin, which means it attacks the nervous system. A bite from this spider can cause intense pain, muscle paralysis, and even death. So, what's the best way to avoid a Brazilian wandering spider bite? Be careful where you put your hands and feet, especially if you're in a dark, damp place where spiders like to hang out. We're ending our adventure with a creature that's both beautiful and deadly. Explorers, the blue-ringed octopus. These small but mighty creatures are found in the Pacific Ocean, and they're known for their vibrant blue rings that shimmer and glow when they feel threatened. The blue-ringed octopus is one of the most venomous animals on Earth. Their venom contains a neurotoxin that's 1,000 times more powerful than cyanide. The good news is that blue-ringed octopuses are not aggressive and they only bite humans if they feel threatened. Wow, explorers! We've learned about some seriously amazing and dangerous creatures today. From the invisible box jellyfish to the powerful saltwater crocodile, we've explored some of the most fascinating and deadly animals on Earth. If you loved this video, hit like, subscribe for more wild adventures, comment your favorite animal emoji. See you next time, explorers. Bye! Gap3S. But wait, explorers, before we go, let's meet one more incredible creature, the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard species, known for its powerful bite and venomous saliva. These mighty reptiles can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 150 pounds. Despite their massive size, Komodo dragons are agile hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Their venom contains toxins that cause shock and severe blood loss in their victims, ensuring a swift and deadly hunt. With their impressive size and lethal abilities, Komodo dragons truly earn their place among the most dangerous reptiles on Earth. Isn't nature fascinating and terrifying all at once? Gap2S. Alright, explorers, now we've really covered some of the most formidable creatures out there. Stay curious and keep exploring. Bye! Gap2S. Just when you thought we've seen it all, explorers, there's one more creature that demands our attention, the inland taipan. Also known as the fierce snake, the inland taipan holds the title of the most venomous snake in the entire world. Its venom is so potent that a single bite can kill 100 adult humans, making it extremely dangerous. Fortunately, this deadly serpent is reclusive and rarely comes into contact with people. Preferring the solitude of remote regions, the inland taipan primarily preys on small mammals. It uses its incredibly powerful venom to immobilize its prey almost instantly, ensuring a quick and efficient hunt. Isn't it astonishing how such a solitary creature can wield such immense power and precision? Nature never ceases to amaze with its blend of beauty and danger, always keeping us in awe. Gap2S. Alright, explorers, now we've really covered some of the most formidable creatures out there. Stay curious and keep exploring. Bye! Gap2S. Just when you thought we had covered all the most formidable creatures, explorers, there's one more that lurks beneath the waves, the stonefish. The stonefish is one of the most venomous fish in the ocean. It camouflages itself among rocks and coral, making it difficult to spot. Its venomous spines can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death, if not treated promptly. Despite its dangerous nature, the stonefish plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Gap2S. Truly, the ocean is full of wonders and dangers, and the stonefish is a perfect example of this duality. Stay curious and keep exploring. Bye!